This conference will now be recorded.
కిరణ్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు? వాట్ యువర్ సేయింగ్?
క్లాస్ రికార్డ్ చేయలేదు.
Yes, okay. On last session we discussed, yeah, I'm done with recording. On last session we started about the actions class. See, actions is nothing but performing the keyboard and mouse operations. Actions. It is a class in Selenium which is used to perform keyboard and mouse operations. Okay. Actions class can be used by syntax actions is equal to new actions. With this reference, we are going to perform something like move to element or double click, right click, context click. These are the actions performed. Above are the actions performed with the help of actions class. Okay, can be performed on mouse. Okay, above actions are performed on mouse. Okay, with the help of actions class. Okay, and we created one class which is the application is Orange HRM application. See, I will go this and I will continue with Orange HRM application. See, this is the Orange HRM application what we created as of now. As of now, we are moving to the element up to admin. See, I am going to show the our application, Orange HRM application. This is the application. As of now, we are done until login we completed. We move to admin. Up to here we done. Then we need to navigate our things to Orange HRM organization. Then we need to click on the location. This is the thing I am going to perform with the help of actions class. See, up to here how I came with the help of mouse. See, I placed my mouse into admin. Then I am dragging here my mouse. Then I am selecting clicking operation over the location. See, this had been performed with the help of mouse actions. See how I am going to perform is in this way I am going to perform. In the last class we discussed after performing any operations in the actions class we need to click on perform operation. I will explain you. Make a very important note. Okay, in actions class, okay, all the elements are stored in a form of list. To perform operation, we are going to use perform method. See nothing but see here I am doing more than one action. First I am coming here. This is one operation. I am navigating to here. Two operations. And coming to here. How many operations I perform? Three operations. Three actions will be stored as a list. First list, second list, third list. These three will be stored in a form of a list by using after calling perform method one after another it is going to perform the actions over the actions class. See guys, nothing guys. Basically, I am first navigating my this mouse pointer to admin. This is one operation. Yes or no? One function only. And the second time is I am moving to the organization. Second functionality. And the third functionality is I am coming to here locations. Third functionality means I want to able to these three actions had been stored in a form of a list. If I click on perform, first it will perform this list one, and second it will perform list two, and third it will do third operation by using perform method. Okay, no need of confuse. We need to define it as explicitly. Without defining, it won't execute. Okay, guys, if you forgot to define this, then the code won't be executed. Okay, and into prospective room, they will ask one more question. Okay, what is difference between build and perform? Okay, they will ask you definitely. You need to say after Selenium, I think so 3.5, 3.5 version onwards. Okay, build method is deprecated. Okay, only using perform method we are doing operations. See, I can show you one thing. Basically, in the previous and ఇంకా before 3.15 version ముందు వచ్చేసి before 3.15 versions, if you are writing any functionality in the actions class, after see this is the actions class. What we done? Move to element and click operation is performed. Okay, these are two operations. First one is a move to element. Second one is a click operation. These are stored in the form of a list. These two we need to build it first. Build make a unit. Then we are going to perform operations. Now in Selenium 1.5 onwards, this is deprecated, means this is removed and stored within this method. If we call this method automatically perform build and perform operation. Both will perform with the help of perform operation. See, I will show you in the code. See, without calling build first. Previously, there is a build method is there. Now it is deprecated with the build method by using perform only. We are going to perform actions. Okay. Basically, if the interviewer asks what is the build means, it will build these two methods. Build means make a build as say one unit, and these two building into one method and performing operation over these two methods. Move to element, click operation. Okay, by using perform method. Okay, guys, you got understanding? Make you remember. Now we are not using build method. Now we are using only which method? Perform method.
Sir, ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ
Correct.
explain చేయరా build method?
Okay, sure. Nothing but I'll first tell in Telugu you can understand. Or I can see nothing but guys. See in the previous 3.15 version, if I want to
తెలుగులో
do
చెప్పండి.
okay, Ajitesh, I can explain you in the English later. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Ajitesh,
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Okay.
yeah, I think you got understand. I want to tell you one
Yeah.
more time.
Okay.
ఓకే సి బేసికలీ ఏమీ లేదండి ఒకప్పుడు ప్రీవియస్గా యాక్షన్స్ క్లాస్లో ఏమన్నా కొన్ని మెథడ్స్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలంటే కనుక లాస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏముండాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా లాస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏముండాలంటే ఇంకా డాట్ బిల్డ్ డాట్ పెర్ఫామ్ అని పాస్ చేస్తేనే ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. ఈ రెండు మెథడ్స్ ని పాస్ చేస్తేనే దిస్ ఎంటైర్ యాక్షన్స్ క్లాస్ విల్ వర్క్. ఓకే, బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ selenium 3.5 version onwards, without build method, we are able to perform by using which method? Perform method. అంతే అండి. బిల్డ్ మెథడ్ లేకున్నా కూడా మనం పెర్ఫామ్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి ఒక మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి వీ కెన్ డూ యాక్షన్స్ ఓవర్ దిస్ యాక్షన్స్ క్లాస్. యాక్షన్స్ క్లాస్ లో ఇప్పుడు చూడు ఇంకొకటి చూపిస్తాను, దీని విల్ గెట్ మోర్ ఐడియా. ఓకే, I will tell you one more example so that you will get some clarification. Okay guys, see as of now what I have done, just I am moving to this admin and clicking actions. Now I will do the method chaining. You know method chaining we discussed in the Java. Method chaining, if you method, see previously we discussed string str is equal to testing str dot trim dot length. We discussed previously method chaining. On a single method we are performing more than one operation is called method chaining. I will show you. See, performing operations over the existing or appending one or more methods over string at a time is called method chaining. Like this method string substring of 5 dot length method. Yes guys, గుర్తొచ్చిందా method chaining? We discuss in the string manipulation topics we discuss చేసాం. We discussing string manipulation topics. Okay, now I am going to perform method chaining by using the see. I am going to perform method chaining. As of now what happened means I move to this element where I move to admin element. Okay, I am going to move this like this. First I move to this element, then what will happen means that again I move to him. First what happened, I move to which element? I am removing here guys. I am moved to this element, then I need to move to first this element, then I need to move to here. What is this? Is organization. I am going to inspect it. Okay, same, we can use the same approach. Here we already used now. Do forward slash a dot equal to what is the name of this? Only one of one result. In the target driver dot find element by dot x path. Now what happened here? It is done two operations. First actions class moves to here, then action class moves to here. How many operations perform? Two operations. Now again I am moving to one more location, that is locations. Same I am doing here itself. Control C, Control F. What I am doing? A it is highlighting to only one result. Guys, I hope you people are practicing. If you are not practice, then waste of your time. See, as of now, I moved to the 3 locations. Then I am going to perform click operation. See, I am not performing build operation. See what will happen here. See, please observe what will happen. I am using some time, some 2 seconds. See, it is not performing any operation because I am not given the perform method. See over the list, it is showed in it will be stored in a form of a list. In the entire list, I want to perform the some operations, but it is not performing any operations. Requested operations cannot be performed. See, this cannot be performed because it is already why it is showing this exception means we already have a screenshot like this. Cannot be performed with the file name user map section open. Already the section is already opened. This section is already opened, so it is not able to take the screenshot. Okay, in the file output stream, if you are giving any path for taking up screenshot, for those path, if you are in the open state, it won't perform the operation over that area. Make it remember. Okay, manamu if we are going to perform take a screenshot or reading the Excel anything at the runtime, if they are opened, we can't perform any operations over that area. Okay, I am
మోహన్ గారు
removing it for the first. Yes,
ఒకసారి ఇందాక సెలీనియం క్లాస్లోకి తీసుకెళ్ళండి.
huh?
క్లాస్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. ఇందాక క్లాస్ సెలీనియం క్లాస్
Yeah,
ఓపెన్
yeah, I
చేశారు
will,
కదా
I will open.
ఎక్లిప్స్.
Meanwhile, I will remove all the screenshot
ఓకే.
so that yes. See, it is not performing any operations over this element. It is not moving to it. To move it, this there is how many list elements is there? This is the one element. This is the second element. This is my third element. This is my fourth element. I need to perform all the 4 list perform operation. So that dot click dot perform. So that now it will work. Okay, see if I
మనం
run this code. It will work.
మోహన్ గారు
Yes,
ఇక్కడ మనం మూవ్ టు ఎలిమెంట్ అంటే జస్ట్ అది ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని చూపిస్తుంది కదా
yes.
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి.
Just
సో
it is moving here.
అది
So
దానికి ఇప్పుడు ఫైండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ కి మనకి తేడా ఏంటండి? అంటే మనం స్టార్టింగ్ లో చూడండి, మనం ఫైండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ అని చెప్పి ఒక పేజ్ లో మనం చేసాం కదా, ఆ ఆపరేషన్ కి ఈ ఆపరేషన్ కి తేడా ఏంటండి?
see, find element is nothing but the find element ఏం లేదండి. See, I can tell you what is find element. See, if you look into this object, I will tell you. This is called the find element. This will be the return type will be web element. Okay, yes or no? Admin, I am taking this as a web element. See, this entire find element will be stored into this web element. Over this element, we are able to perform some operations. Admin dot click చేయొచ్చు, clear చేయొచ్చు. See, we can perform clear operation, click operation, or we can perform all the methods which is inside this. Okay,
ఓకే.
two strings, submit, notify all, is selected or not, is enabled or not. These methods we can perform with the help of this find element. Whereas in the
ఓకే.
actions class, we can perform keyboard operations. These are all our inbuilt methods. Inbuilt methods within web element, within Selenium. Okay,
ఓకే.
inbuilt methods perform చేయడానికి find element use చేస్తాం. Okay,
ఓకే.
same find elements actions class లో same find elements if you are performing over the actions class on those elements we are using mouse operation and keyboard operations.
ఓకే.
Okay, these are all inbuilt methods. Okay, inbuilt methods use చేసి perform చేసేదాన్ని we are using by using find element. On the same find element we are going to perform the keyboard methods. Okay,
ఓకే.
I think you got. See, these are nothing but it's a inbuilt operations. Yes or no? These are inbuilt operation prepared by the Selenium community. But I want to perform my own operations, native methods.
ఓకే.
See, basically, if you open this application as end user, you don't have the inbuilt methods. You will definitely do either keyboard operation or mouse operation to perform actions. Yes or no?
ఓకే.
Okay. If I want to use the inbuilt methods, in the inbuilt methods, there is no like this move to element. We are not able to move this. See, if I want to do this, click this. I click this. Okay. If I am clicking it, it is opening. No problem. But see here, what happened? It is opening. But if I click here, it will open. But see again, it is going. It is not showing. How it is handled WebDriver? ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు కర్సర్ చూపిస్తుంది ఇవి పక్కకి వెళ్తే ఇఫ్ యూ మూవ్ అసైడ్ ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్
Killing
సబ్ లిస్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్ షోయింగ్ we cannot handle by using these inbuilt methods.
ఓకే.
By using these inbuilt methods we cannot able to perform these operations. See, in the job subtopics are job titles, pay grades, employee status, all the things will be available. If we cannot able to perform these operations. See, these operations are performed with the help of mouse only. Without no operations we cannot use this application. Okay, there is no inbuilt methods for the mouse operations. If there is any mouse operation inbuilt methods, no operations. Okay, to overcome this problem actions class came into pictorial. Okay,
మనం రియల్ టైంలో ఇంకా బిల్డ్ ఫంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేయమండి, పర్ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాము.
oh, actually what happened means now Selenium 4.0 is version running.
ఓకే.
See, Selenium every time versions are increasing in the same way as Java. Yes or no? Like Android, some versions will be there. As of now, we
ఓకే.
are using Android 10 or 11 are using. In the same way, for every version, previous release, some topics are, some things will be deprecated. Means something will be deleted. In the same way, in the latest version, not a latest version, this is also old version, the 3.5, latest is 4.3 is going on 4.2. See, per dot build method is deprecated. See, without calling dot build method, we are going to perform operations. Okay.
ఓకే.
See, I'm in the previous what I done means I done without perform operation. I run. No one is selected. If I run now, what will happen? See, I close the folder also. See, up to organization I came. See, it's closed. Previously, I got some exception saying that something got. What happened means I opened this folder. This folder in an open stage, so that it is not. It is showing the some exception. so and so folder is open, so I cannot able to perform the operation. See, if you are performing any operations in a file which is in your local machines, those folders should be in the closed mode, either Excel sheet, either any location, anything. Okay, guys. See where it is showed JSON automation testing screenshot. Where is that folder? 1 minute, guys. This is the folder now. It has to take a screenshot. We'll see it later, no problem. It has to take a screenshot, but it's not taking screenshot. We'll see it what will happen. Right now, focus on this. Okay. Right now, see after perform operations only, it is navigating to up to here. See, this open the up to here. It opens the location. Now I want to search the location. I want to enter some text over that location. Simply after this completion of this method, I am going to perform the some operations. What operations? I want to enter text. Simply driver dot find element by dot. I came to organization location. I want to enter this location name text. Simply inspect. See in the inspector what are the things it is showing. This highlighting here. See it already contains ID. I am taking this location. Not send keys. I need to enter some location. What is the name of this location? Hyderabad. Say I am running this program. What will happen? See.
In Windows 11, there is any problem to run Selenium, bro?
In Windows,
11. When I am running this Selenium code, the screen is flickering. I already
hmm,
discussed with you, right?
yes,
So
we'll connect
I am.
after this call. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm taking some sleep condition, so that we'll wait for some time. See, coming to admin, 1 second, guys. What will happen? Move to element.perform. See, అక్కడ రాసింది. If you want, I can show you one more time. Basically, this thread dot sleep is not recommended to use for the sake of our viewing of the application we are using. That will create the discrepancy of our execution. Means, see, in the previously it is not able to write it, not able to perform actions. Okay, it's not recommended to use. See, it is able to write the Hyderabad. Okay, in this way we are going to perform the mouse over action. As of now, what is completed? As of now, we have done few things in the mouse over actions. See, move to element is completed. Okay, and click is a double click or click, both are the same. I want to perform double click operation so that you can able to understand. Right click or context click, both are same. I want to double click on this. Right now, I'm not able to figure it out the exact examples for this. See, I'm writing here Hyderabad. Hyderabad. I want to double click here. See, after double click only it will highlight. See, if I perform single click, nothing will do. If I click double click, this will be highlighted. See, I can write a code for this for double click operations. Simply, I am going to perform the double click operations. See, actions dot double click over this web element. I can store this into the target location. Here I want to perform the double click operation. See what will happen. Oh my god. Okay, I can do one thing so that you can easily understand. See, I am performing more than one operation for this web element. So that I am storing this as a web element and return type will be web element. I am going to take it as a location. Then I am going to use this for the send keys also. Location dot send keys Hyderabad. See, I am calling here that specific method on which location I want to perform double click operation on the location itself. I want to perform the double click operation. Now I am going to run this program. One second, guys. I am going to see why it is not able to perform. Hmm. Why it is not able to click double click? 1 second guys, it is coming to this location and taking the screenshot and performing send key operation. Then we need to perform double click over this web element. Perform double click on the middle of the given element. Move to element dot double click. Okay, then I will move something. Move to element to into this location dot double click. Okay guys, we have done mistake. 1 second. Double click over the element, then we need to perform. Without perform, it won't perform any actions. Correct? So that it is not running. I think it will run now perfectly. Because we forgot to implement the which thing over the location. See, now it is highlighting. We are missed with the perform operation. Without perform operation, it won't perform any actions over the particular element. In the actions class, last statement should be perform operation. If you miss this perform statement, this entire statement won't works. Okay guys, అర్థమైంది కదండి? సతీష్, రాధా, అజితేష్, if you miss the perform
Yes,
operation,
Yes, sir.
okay, if you miss the perform
sir.
operation, entire thing will be not executed. So that we need to do the perform operation. If you miss the perform operation, the specific functionality will get signals. Okay, don't miss this perform operation. I missed, I confused. You missed, you also confused. Okay, okay guys, that's all about the in the actions class. As of now, what we done, see, mode element is completed, double click is completed, no right click. I say the right click or context click, both are same. This is the terminology which is used in the Selenium. Definitely they will ask you how to perform right click operation in Selenium. By using context click method, we can able to perform the right click operation. Make a copy of this code. I think you know this. As of now we are done. Tag name at the rate of name equal to value. Okay. Now I am going to perform which thing is a right click operation. Right click operation in Selenium. See, we can able to perform the right click operation. I have one URL I found by using some sites. You can also find the new URLs so that you can perform actions over there. Okay, no need to worry. This is the page I found for the right click operations. This is the right click button. See, if I perform right click operation, it is showing these options. Okay, I am taking this URL. I am going to create one more class. The class name is right click operations. I am taking this as a one method, or in the main method itself I will write. Simply, what is the code we need? We need some existing code, common code. This is the common code we required, correct? System.set property, everything. Then we have to, okay. Okay, then I need to navigate to this specific URL. Then what I'm going to do, I want to create some actions class. Actions, actions is a class. See, they'll ask you in the interview room, what is action? Actions. Actions is a class. If you divide it C means this is a class with a reference. I can take actions again. Is equal to new actions. Over which way, which location I want to perform over driver. Okay. Actions dot. What I need to do, I need to get the web element of this element. Okay. Or I need to get the context click. Actions dot context click over which thing I need to perform over the element I need to perform it. Where I need to perform, here I need to perform. So I need to get the location of this. See, I'm not able to get this. If basically, if I want to inspect, we're going to click on right. See, basically, if I want to inspect this location, we are performing right click and going to perform inspect. But here, if I perform right click, these options will open. So I'm going to open developers tool. Help. One second, Google Chrome developers. Where more tools, developers tools. It will open the console. Then by using inspect method, this is the inspect. I am going to perform, see, by using this inspect, I am going to inspect this. See, I am getting something like this. So for this, what is the, I already did two forward slash span dot C. I got one of one result. Right click. I am taking this and I am going to store this as a in this way. Driver dot find element by dot ex path. I am storing this. I am storing this in a form of which type of, in the form of web element, because I am using somewhere web element of right click. Then in which location I need to perform the right click operation, means I can say that wherever I get the right click method, there I need to perform the right click operation. Context click. Context click over the which location? Over the right click. That we need to perform. Without perform operations, we can't do any perform operation. See what will happen if I run this code. I will explain this set default also. Set default Cortex F1 handler in the next sections. Okay. Yeah. It's the input should be milliseconds. So I'm passing 2000 means 2 seconds. Next driver dot close. We'll close this session. Say I'm running this operation. See, perform right click operation. See, I can do some more things also over this right click operation. Okay. I want to do something like this. See, here I open right click. See, if I perform copy, some alert is showing. But we know how to handle this alert. Correct? How to handle this alert? We need to switch this to this alert. If I want to click on this, right click on this, I want to click on this copy button. I'm going to inspect this. Okay. I'm getting this copy. Where it is located? See, it is located here itself. Copy. I want to get this text. How to get this text? Simply, I said, if there anything text within the these quotations, this greater than less than symbols, simply same. What is the name? This is span. What is the span? What is the name of this copy? Just I am writing copy here itself. See, it is highlighting one of one result. This copy is highlighted. I am taking this copy and going to perform some operations. What are those operations? I will show you. See, what is the how to perform operations? Click operation something. Simply driver dot find element by dot xpath. I am taking this copy. Dot click. Yes or no? If I click, what will happen? Copy pop-up will be displayed. How to navigate to alerts? How to navigate to alerts? Anyone? Anyone, guys? Driver dot
Using alert class.
switch to yes.
Switch to alert.
Switch to alert. I am switching to this alert and I am storing this as alert because I want to perform more operations. Alert. See, it is showing error. See, we need to select exactly. Alert is the interface. This should be open QA Selenium. Make a note. Don't confuse. Then I want to get the text. Alert dot get the text. I want to store this text. As print channel, HCC return type is string. On day-to-day practice only you are able to do these things. Okay, string alert text. I want to print this text. How to print it? System.out.println alert text. Okay, then I want to accept that alert. Alert dot accept. See, the code is in the zigzag manner. If I want to resegregate, shift press can see code in a zigzag manner. If like it is like this, then rasen code if written code in this way in a zigzag manner. We want to segregate in a right manner. For that we used to use Control Shift F. Make a note. Okay. How to rearrange zigzag code into normal way. Very important, guys. Not for in the room, for the sake of our good practice. Perform operations by using this control plus shift plus F. Very important. Okay, guys. Control shift F will able to perform. Okay. Zigzag code into normal way. See, this is in the right way. If you perform like this, just perform Control Shift F, so that it will be designed in a soft way. Okay, make a note. Then I am printing the script and I am accepting this. See what will happen. I am getting some thread.sleep to check myself. Basically, in the real time, thread.sleep won't accept because if you use thread.sleep means definitely code will wait somewhere. Okay, in the real time, if you use thread.sleep means no one will accept. Right click, copy, everything is done. See, it is copied the text over the alert. See, over the alert, this is the text is available. The text also printed here itself. Correct. That's all about the right click operation. Double click about the mouse operation is completed. Okay. And coming to the keyboard operations, I will take another class, not now, later, because now it is not important for the next sessions. See, that's all about the what are the different types of actions class will be available. Anyone? Move to element, double click, right click. What is the Selenium name for the right click operation? Context click.
Context.
Very important. Okay. Very important for the interview. What are the different types of locators? Not Radha Rashekar. I need answer from Mahesh, Satish, Ajitesh, CH Kumar.
ID, name, last name, tag name, text, text, partial text, link text, CSS, extra.
Okay. Okay. I'm asking one more question. How to select a drop-down values? Ajitesh, Kiran, not Mahesh,
Index, visual text,
not Mahesh.
visual
Why?
text, index,
You can mute it.
By index, by
Hmm. Satish, Kiran. See guys, if I'm asking this type of questions means no need to blame. Okay? After completion of your training, if you go somewhere, if anyone asks you, you done the training. You said, I'm done the training. If they will ask some basics questions, if you are not able to perform any operation, definitely they will think, who is your trainer? He is not able to say anything you. Like that they will blame you. Okay? For me, నా దగ్గరికి ఒక ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్స్ వస్తారని ఈ ముగ్గురు ఆల్రెడీ ది గాట్ జాబ్ ఓకే బై యూజింగ్ సమ్ ప్రాక్సీ దట్స్ నాట్ ఏ మ్యాటర్ దే హ్యాడ్ డన్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇన్ సమ్ లొకేషన్ సమ్ XYZ location. After reaching me, I asked some simple questions. What are the different types of locators? How to create object? These questions I asked over them. They said that I don't have idea. I have not learned something. They simply said our tutor not said this type of things. He's simply saying my tutor is not saying how to create object. He's simply saying my tutor is not saying how to select a drop down value. See, they are switching the problem to tutor. It's not a right thing. If you are not learned, just say simply that I have not practiced or that I have not learned. Don't blame tutors. Okay? Okay, guys. See, that's not the right question. Either he told you, either he not told you. It's secondary option. But don't okay discourage any tutors. If they know something, they explain something. See, here not everyone is a Excel. If I am the Excel, I can go for Google job. No need to stay in a top level companies. I can go in the very reputed companies. See, don't blame anyone. Okay, guys, please be prepared. Okay, don't waste time so that you will get some doubts so that you can learn something. Now I'm going to share this page again. Okay, right click operation. Yeah, I already saved. Yeah, that's all about today's session. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the new topic about the window handling. In the window handling itself, I'm going to how to handle frames or and how to handle windows. Along with the sessions, parallelly, I'm going to continue with the XPath. దీంతో పాటు parallel I can take forward of XPath. Okay, guys. See, XPath is very important. If you are familiar in XPath creation, if you are familiar in XPath creation, in the real time, okay, you will get the better price, means better rewards from your team. మీరు ఎక్స్పాత్ ఎలాంటి ఎక్స్పాత్ అయినా రాయడంలో ఫెమిలియర్గా ఉంటే కనుక విల్ గెట్ మోర్ కండోలెన్సెస్. మీ టీం నుండి మీకు మంచి గుడ్ నేమ్ వస్తుంది, చాలా పేరు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, every syntax you need to write. This is the one syntax. In the same way, I am going to explain nearly 10 syntaxes.
Can you share the screen, bro?
Okay. Okay, sorry. See, if you are familiar in the XPaths, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక ట్యాగ్ చెప్పాను, ఓన్లీ వాట్ ఇస్ ద ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ వాల్యూ అని ఒకటి చెప్పాను. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టెల్ యూ యాజ్ మచ్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్, నియర్లీ 10 to 12 చెప్తాను. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫెమిలియర్ విత్ దిస్ 12 tags, when you go into the real time scenario, means if you joined in a organization, your day to work started, in the mid of your team member ask you, hey boss, can you help me how to write this XPath? If you are familiar with this XPath, means they will give good impression on you. Okay, so please be practice what I am saying it. Every time whatever the XPath I am sharing you, on those XPath that will be stored in your brain itself. Okay, very very important. I can give is 1 crore starts for this. Lifelong starts means this will be very important in your entire lifelong. Okay, I will tell you all the syntaxes in the XPath on the day-to-day activities. If I tell all the 10 syntaxes on day one itself, you will definitely forget it. Just first you remember this. Tomorrow I will give one more XPath, one more XPath, and day after tomorrow one new. So if you practice day-to-day activity, definitely you can able to do. Okay guys. Okay students, better to practice this key mouse operations. In mouse, how many operations we can perform? Kiran?
మో- మోహన్ గారు
Hmm.
అదే
How
ఇప్పుడు
many
మీరు
operations?
ఓకే హలో
Yes, Kiran, go ahead.
అదేనండి ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇలా చెప్పారు కదా ఎక్స్పాత్ది ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ వాల్యూ
Hmm.
స్టార్స్ పెట్టారు.
Hmm.
అవి మాకు కొంచెం చీట్ కోడ్స్ కింద అవన్నీ ఒక దగ్గర ఉంటే బాగుంటాయి కదా కొంచెం అలాగా.
No problem, no problem. On the every day-to-day basis, I will come the same location here itself. I can write here itself. Wherever the
Okay.
pointer will be, here it will be, or here it be. Okay, on every
Okay.
day, I will come and write here. Okay,
ఓకే
okay, and I will share to you. No problem. No problem, Kiran. Okay,
Okay.
guys, that's all for today's session. You have any questions? I can consider no.